Oh my. Oh! I got it!
That was amazing!
What's up, Macy?
What's up?
Macy and I are working on a project together, right, Macy? Can't tell you what it. We can't tell you what it is yet, but we're working on it, right, Macy?
Yes.
Soon. Very, very soon. Oh, you said something. Is that too much information? You think it's okay?
No.
No? Cut it out? I'll bleep you out. Macy, what is your favorite chocolate?
Hershey's.
Okay.
I actually know I did a project about Milton Hershey. I think it's Milton. But I did a project on the creator.
Do you also like this kind of chocolate?
Oh yeah! That chocolate's good too.
This chocolate's really good, isn't it?
I like just plain chocolate.
Plain chocolate. Here, can you show them what it looks like?
Kinder. Has this. It looks like it has footprints. And then you can. It's sort of melted, but like you can just peel it off.
Do you like chocolate?
Well.
You do? What's your favorite kind of chocolate?
If it's a chocolate, I don't like it. I mean, if it's a chocolate that I don't like, then I don't like it.
Oh, okay, that makes perfect sense. Do you like this kind of chocolate?
Yeah.
You do? It's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can have one.
Yay! And it has milk chocolate in it. It's melting.
Is it?
Yeah.
You might want to save it then. It's too much of a mess.
I can just feel it bending.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yum! Good stuff. Dude, I didn't get a picture of your cake. It looks awesome. Look at those colors. How were those new pans that you got for your birthday? Did it work? Make it help it?
Yeah.
It did. It's a small cake.
But it looks much better though.
Yeah, the colors look amazing. And the layers look really good too. Great job, Hailey. Hey, we're gonna get the October
Let's go!
calendar out.
Let's go! Let's go get it!
So you're gonna get in the attic? I'm going up. Oh boy, this is a mess. Oh my goodness, this is such a mess. And you guess where that box is gonna be? The very back. Whew! Hailey, I'm gonna throw this stuff down to you, okay? Can you catch it? Steve likes to sleep up here. Really hot up here, really hot. Orange and black, nice choice. Nice choice for a tote. Nice choice for a tote when you're looking for a box among a bunch of boxes. And just like that, I'm back down from the attic. No big deal, no big deal.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
Yeah.
I forgot we had gotten that wreath.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Trash. Oh, I forgot about that guy. Or those heads, those ghosts. Man, I forgot all about it. Why do you want a guinea pig?
It's a fluffy.
No, it's not fluffy.
It's like a little ball of fluff. But even
No, it's
more.
not.
No, yeah. Ew, it's my seat.
Do you ever remember that movie? What was that movie? That was the
Not Macey.
G-Force.
A, B, C, 1, 2, 3,
something.
A, B, C. Oh.
You have a guinea pig right here.
No, he's not.
His name is
fluffy
Rocky.
No more. He's not fluffy.
And he's a guinea
but the
pig.
whole thing's fluffy and small, so you can hold it in your little tiny arms, and then it'd
Hands.
be like.
I can name it Fluff Ball.
Oh,
Yes,
no.
I will call it Fluff Ball.
When I get it, when I get a rabbit, I'm either gonna name it Bunnelby if it's a boy or Bunnery if it's a girl.
You're not getting a rabbit, and you're not getting a guinea pig.
I want to get a granny pig.
A granny pig? Okay, guys, it is time for some bottle flipping.
You have to do this.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to do it right here.
We're gonna start on the table right here. We're gonna start on this table. Hold on, let me get the camera set up. I would hold in front of the bottle cap.
She can do whatever. That's one, Dad.
Wait, no, I'm showing her. We each get 3 tries. We each get 3 practices. Bam!
Oh.
Practices?
Yeah.
We get a practice?
Yeah, they've never done it.
I don't need.
Oh. They've never done it.
More practices. What's that?
Here you go. Oh, that was pretty close. Here you go, Macey. Yeah, Mom and Macey haven't done this as much.
Ooh.
Yeah, get a good feel. Oh my goodness.
Land
Nope.
it on the table.
Oh my. Just, no. No, just, you're trying to pop it over, up and over. So
Only
that,
one.
Ice cream!
Oh!
Okay, Macey, you ready?
I lost my one.
What? Alright, who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay, that's. And keep in mind, Hailey has gone 0 times right now. Okay, alright. And here we go.
Fail!
Oh.
Oh!
Blow it!
Ice cream!
One.
Oh my god!
Here's Macey.
Don't shout.
I won't.
Dad, can you
No.
find
No, I
Yeah,
wouldn't.
you'll be grounded for life.
I wouldn't.
Oh, that's a good one. Alright, so 0 to 1. Oh. That was almost. Oh no! Alright, Haley.
Ice cream!
2.
2 for 2! Oh, that's close. Oh! Oh, that looked good.
I don't know if I can keep up this streak.
Ice cream!
3.
Get out of here, you cheater! Ooh.
Oh, that would have landed.
Alright, here goes round 4.
Fell off the table.
Oh!
It would have landed until it fell off
Yeah,
the
it
table.
would have.
Sky high, doesn't it?
I'm gonna watch her. What's she doing? No, it's not gonna make it because it's 3-3.
Oh, she missed the table! She missed the table! She doesn't get to count one. I'm just kidding. Ooh, that was a good one.
You keep on getting so close.
That's how
Oh. Wait, what round is this?
This is 5. So she had 3 for 5. Come on, man. Oh! Okay, so Hailey won. She got 3. So now it's going to be between me, Macey, and Chaz. To
Can I
see.
do it for fun?
Yes. Alright, so whoever is the last to do it has to get the mail tomorrow from the mailbox with a twist.
Uh-oh.
Alright, you ready? So you don't want to be last. Ready?
I want to be last.
Here we go. No, everybody just go. As many times as you want.
Oh. Keep going.
Right?
Wait, no.
Oh, okay.
It flipped off. Okay.
I think we should all get
No,
that.
I'm messing up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good point. Oh!
Ice cream!
Oh! Why so mad? Did you go, Hailey?
Nope.
Hailey didn't go.
Ice cream!
Oh. Here, Macey, use my bottle.
Oh.
Ice cream!
Alright, Macey, you can tie it up right here.
I'm gonna lose.
Oh, so close. That's alright. Okay, Hey, that was a lot of fun. Oh, I know, Macey. Go higher with it. No, not that high, but let it flip around in the air.
Ice cream.
Oh! You got it! High five! High five! So Hailey and I are gonna go around the house doing it. We've already done this. Oh, that's easy. Okay, I'm gonna go mantle. Oh! Oh! Oh, if I bottle cap that. Oh! Okay, now we're. Nice. Oh, cigar!
I lost my momentum.
Oh! Okay, next.
Made it.
Made it. Oh! Oh, nice. And here's mine. Oh! How did that happen? Oh, I hope I was on it. Oh my. Oh! I got it. We should end on that. We should end on that one. We're going on tour. We're going on tour. What are you doing?
I'm watching popcorn pop.
You shouldn't be that